Take your cardboard box and cut out a flat piece. Okay, so I've got it flat, and make sure it's bigger than your tube. Now place your tall tube in the middle and draw around it. Pause here and do that. Now, since we're using glue, you might have some really strong glue. I'm only using PVA glue here, so make sure you have some parental permission watching you before using the glue. Thank you. Okay, next we're going to make the side tubes. Take your smaller tube or part of your box and cut. Please, before cutting it, what you need to do is have parental permissions. I'm just doing something. So if you've already drawn it, then what you need to do is we're going to make the side tubes. So hold on. Next we're going to, it keeps on doing that. My script is not working. Here, I'll just follow it like this. Next we're going to make the side tubes. Take your smaller tube or part of your box and cut it into smaller pieces. Now let me show you what I've done. This is how I've cut them, right here. So, these are going to stick out from the sides like little arms. Pause here and cut your pieces with your parents. Now before we glue anything, let's plan where everything goes. Hold the small tubes against the big tube, which I can't show you right now because mine is drying. Try putting one on each side, maybe one at the back. Make sure they're around the middle, not too high. Pause here and test your layout. Now that we're ready to attach them, use glue or tape to stick the small tubes onto the big tube. I'll angle them slightly upwards so things don't fall off. Pause here and attach your tubes. Now, let's make it stand. Glue your main tube onto the base and hold it still so it sticks properly. Pause here and do that carefully. Now for the fun part, decorating. Use your wrap box to add colour, wrap yarn around it, or draw patterns. Make it bright and fun. Pause here and decorate your holder. And that's it. Your crochet holder tower is finished. You can put crochet hooks inside and hang yarn on the sides. Have fun making yours. And peace. But first, now that my script's over, it didn't say anything at the end, so if you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to go back to planning something. So, yeah, bye. And don't forget, we are at 40 subscribers by the time this was posted. So please tell everyone if you are subscribed to help us get to our goal of 50 subscribers. We are just 10 away. Anyway, without further ado, that's all I have to say. And peace!